Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Profitec espresso machine, and we replaced this relay here because the machine wasn't getting hot enough. We replaced the relay and now it's working. You can see the pressure's up at just above 1 bar. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. Beautiful shot of espresso with really good crema. Definitely gonna drink this one. And then nice strong steam, hot water. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.